Welcome guys to my channel. Recently things have been happening in Nigeria. Really guys, we need to be careful. Like, so many things are happening that are just beyond normal. They've gone from physical to spiritual. Today's news: a man becomes prayer warrior after his commercial worker turns into a snake when he tampered with her waist bead during the act. A viral video shows moments an unidentified young man immediately turned into a prayer warrior after a prostitute he picked up started acting like a snake when he mistakenly tampered with her waist bead during sex. The incident looked stranger than fiction, as the lady started wiggling like a snake as the man turned into a prayer warrior screaming, "Holy Ghost, take control. The God of Bishop Akpore, I command you to speak out." The video was shared by a Twitter user identified as @EasyBaby01. Guys, the guy reportedly cut the girl's waist bead during sex and Oga turned pastor fast. "This is why I hate waist bead," someone wrote. Guys, please let me know what you think about this. Is waist bead really the problem, or those wearing the waist bead? I'd like to know in the comment section below. Thank you.